if you know me, you know I'm a little OCD about organization. I like to make lots of tool holders. I like to make drill bit holders, anything that can make my shop more efficient and building faster. Today I'm going to experiment with making a bolt organization system. So I build a lot of stuff, I make a lot of robots, like this thing over here, like mini Tento here. And even though I would like all of the bolts to be the same size, or just to use one or two sizes of bolts, and by size I mean like 1/4 I'm not talking about the length, but it never works out that way. So there's always going to be some motor that takes a metric bolt, and you never get just one size bolt. So my idea is to take some of the bolts. I'm just going to start off with like two sizes, 1/4 and 10/24, and mark them, and then mark in the corresponding tools so that everything is very fast. I can just look at a bolt and be like, I need the pink wrench, or I need the silver wrench. So that is the plan. I'm gonna start off with some 10/24 bolts, and their color will be silver. This is an oil-based paint marker, and I'm going to put it where the wrench goes, just sort of spin it around so you can see from the top that it is silver compared to black, because these are black oxide bolts. Obviously I would not recommend using silver on a bolt that looks silver. Then let's say we did a bunch of those and we move on to the 1/4 size bolt. They are officially going to be the maroon bolts. And to match, I'm gonna paint my wrenches. I have also painted on the boxes, so I know exactly which color bolts goes in which bin, and I'll be like, oh, 10/24 is silver, alright. It's easier for put away as well, so I'll take all the silver bolts, and those happen to be the same size, they go on a 1/2 inch. Now I'm just left with the pinks, which go in the 1/4, so makes it a whole lot faster. This is good bolt organization. Everything's in the bin, but after you build a robot and you look on the ground, what you really find is this. Alright, here's the test. Different sizes of bolts. Oh, pink. I'll use this pink wrench. Hey, it fits. Alright, this is where it's really useful. Alright, must be a 10/24. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more experiments like this, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.